Hi there, welcome to Imran Kitchen. I hope you guys doing well. Today we are going to make the egg bhurji curry. This is little bit different than other one. I already made egg curry, egg omelets. There is so many things, but today this little bit different, and you also tasty, and you will hopefully you will enjoy this recipe. Let's go start together. So we'll learn together how to make it. So this is 6 eggs, regular size. So first we'll broke the egg, then we'll beat it. So we'll put the pinch of salt, not much because later we have to add the salt also. We have to beat well. So egg is already beat well. So now next step, you have to fry it. So I already preheated the oil. I put the 2 tablespoon oil, not much, and you have to spread the all over the fry pan, all the oil, and very slow heat. So we'll start cooking. So we need to cook slowly, not too high flame, medium heat. You keep them 1 minute to start little bit warm up. Then we'll go for further process. So now we'll start moving the egg like this, because we have to cook all the eggs. So we have to move it little bit like this, and make sure has to be medium heat, no rush. And leave it like this for few seconds. Basically we have to make the small chunks or small pieces. We have to make it like a small pieces and move the egg also. We have to little bit brownish, not much, and make sure on medium heat. You can see now it will be look like a smaller pieces. So now we have to turn off the gas. It's already done. Now I have to remove the egg to another dish. I will put in another fry pan. So now we'll make the sauce. So I already preheated the oil. This is 1/4 cup of oil already ready. Now we'll put some whole spices, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds and 5 cloves, 3 green cardamom and 10 to 12 black pepper. We'll saute a little bit. So now I'll put the onions. This is like a 1 large size onion. This is 150 gram. We need to cook at least 3-4 minutes, and it will start little bit brown. Then we will put the next step. We'll go for next step. So now we'll put the 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. So we'll cook for another 1 minute. So now we'll put the flame slow little bit, and now we'll put all the spices. So this is half teaspoon salt as taste, and quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon chili powder, hot one, and 1 teaspoon coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon cumin powder. So we'll mix it. Now we can put the flame on medium. So now we'll put little bit water. So now we'll put this is 4 medium sized tomato puree. I already make the fresh one. It's almost 150 gram tomato. So we'll cook for another 5 minutes for tomato. Tomato has to be cooked well. We'll put the flame on medium. We'll cover it. And see you after 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes cook, so we'll mix it again. Now we have to make the little curry. It's up to you how much you want curry runny. So I'll put the almost 1.5 cup water. We'll mix it. We'll cook for another 5-6 minutes. We'll cover it on medium heat and see you after 6 minutes. So now we'll go start for the final step. So masala has been cooking for the last 6-7 minutes. It's already well cooked. It has to be well cooked. Now we'll put the egg chunks. We'll mix it. Now we'll put the quarter teaspoon garam masala and some fine chopped ginger, some crushed chili. If you want spicy, then you can add it. Otherwise, you have to cut down one of them, either spicy chili powder, either green chili. So we'll mix it. We'll give them one boil. We'll cover it just 2 minutes. Then we'll serve it. Thank you for watching Imran Kitchen, and thank you for support my channel. I hope you enjoy this recipe, and please, new friends, subscribe the channel, and all friends, thank you very much for your channel, support my channel. Thank you. See you in next video.